Hello everyone, welcome to the QA Stack. Today we will learn topic unit testing and we will go through one of the example for this. So what is unit testing? So unit testing is testing smallest part of the code and whether it's a function or method, and it is performed by the developer to check whether the code written by him is working fine and is done to ensure the correctness and the correct implementation. So let's take an example of a car that we are building a car, and car has a different components like brake, engine, lights and gearbox. So to ensure the car is working fine, so first we will have to make sure its component works fine. So the same concept will be followed in the software development process. And let's take an example of a e-commerce website or an app. So where uh, we have add to cart functionality. So when we click on add to cart button, so there is a function that is execute in the backend, and what it does, it adds the product to the cart and checks the length of the card. So what developer will test in this? He will check the initial value of the card. It should be empty, and when product will be added to the cart, he will check the value of the cart. It should be increased by 1, and based upon these steps, developer perform testing. Why unit testing is important? So it saves lot of time and it reduces bugs and improves stability. So when bugs are identified and at the earliest stage of the software development process, so it saves lot of time for the team, and also it reduces related bugs and it builds confidence in the product. Let me know if you have any question in the comment box. I will try to answer all.